Welcome to Market Peeker. Ever looked at a Forex quote and felt like it was in another language? Today, we're breaking down Forex quotes so you can trade confidently and avoid costly mistakes. Let's jump in. Every Forex quote has two currencies, the base currency and the quote currency. For example, in EUR, USD, EUR is the base and USD is the quote. The quote tells you how much of the quote currency, USD, it costs to buy 1 unit of the base currency, EUR. So if EUR USD is 1.2000, that means 1 euro costs $1.20. Forex quotes also have two prices, bid and ask. The bid is what you get if you're selling, and the ask is what you pay if you're buying. The small difference between these two, called the spread, is how brokers make money. If you're buying, you pay the ask price. When selling, you get the bid price. Keep an eye on the spread, especially during volatile times, because a high spread means you'll need a bigger price movement to profit.